Hi, wanna know how to clean your Xiaomi Redmi Buds 5? So as a first step, let's talk about things that we can do to our earbuds and also the charging case. So step number one is that we never use any sharp objects because they can easily damage both of these. Second step is that you never can dip into liquid the charging case or the earbuds by itself, because the charging case is not waterproof at all. The earbuds are, but dipping electronics into liquids isn't really safe idea. And the third thing is that the only thing that we use to clean our earbuds and the case is a alcoholic wipe. But you need to also make sure that the alcoholic wipe is not too wet and the liquid is not dripping from it, because it can easily damage one of the charging contacts or any other mechanicals in these two. So now let's talk about how to clean them right. First thing that we can do here is to take off the ear tips on your earbuds. We can easily take them off by just pulling them off like this. And after this, you can take the ear tips and wash them under a warm water. Make sure that the water is not too hot, it's warm, and you can also use some soap, but don't forget to dry them properly. Next step that we can do, that's to firstly clean our charging case. We would need to clean all the case, but without these two contacts, which are charging your earbuds and also this charging port at the bottom of your charging case. So let's really slowly go around all of the contacts and ports so we won't damage anything. I'm still using the same alcoholic wipe, which is a little bit dry, and we just go all around the contacts and charging port. And this is it. Now our charging case is perfectly clean. Let's move on to the earbuds by itself. So now we have these two earbuds without ear tips on it, and the only two things that we can touch is the speaker, which is this circle part, and also these two contacts with the help of which your earbuds are charging. So we can also go slowly around them with the alcohol wipe. And this is it. I think we are done with this one. You can see that it's perfectly clean and we still haven't touched any of the important parts. So now it's just left to clean the second earbud and we are done. And this is it. After you wash your ear tips, we can easily put them back. But firstly, we would need to take half of the ear tips so it will look like a little speaker, and then just put it back on our earbuds. The ear tips doesn't have any sides. Both of them are suitable for left and right side, so we can just take any from the ear tips and put them back. So now let's put on the second one. And we would need to also do a little speaker, then take it with our two fingers and then just put it back on our earbud. Now we can put this part back, and this is it. We have successfully ended our cleaning process. That was it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.